Want to speed up your writing workflow with Dola AI? Yeah, from brainstorming ideas to polishing drafts, Dola AI can make the process faster and smoother. In this guide, I'll show you how to improve your writing workflow step by step. Start by organizing your chats and projects. Pin important conversations, rename chats, and use folders or categories if available. A tidy workspace keeps you focused and saves time. Explore Dola AI's writing bots. These bots are designed for articles, scripts, emails, social media posts, and more. Pick the ones that fit your workflow and add them to your workspace. Before generating text, plan your content. Create an outline, note the tone, style, or word count, and prepare any key points. This makes prompts clearer and the AI output more accurate. Reuse templates, save prompts, and schedule recurring tasks. Automation lets you generate multiple pieces of content quickly without rewriting the same instructions each time. Always review AI-generated content, edit for clarity, style, and accuracy. Refining outputs ensures high-quality writing and improves future AI results. And that's it. Organize your workspace, use writing bots, plan your content, automate repetitive tasks, and review your outputs. With Dola AI, your writing workflow becomes faster, more efficient, and more consistent.